Means it is not that he has gone to the south. He has not taken any effort to go to south of it. So therefore the whole north, it is under the Akbar. At the time of Akbar was the ruler. And then when he finished, thereafter there is a coming of his son Jahangir. And then Jahangir itself, I said that Jahangir के period में ही we lost Kandhar. जो कि हम लोगों ने कुशाना period से we have, and I said that हमारे पास Kandhar था. Yes, we lost Kandhar, and thereafter Noor Jahan, you know that very beautiful wife, but she is not supportive. Therefore, he is made several efforts, and then due to the lack of fight within the family itself, he wouldn't be able to get the Kandhar. मतलब घर की यदि लड़ाई रहेगी, if in a fight within the family, you can't be able to get the full effort in the other side. Clear? And then therefore I said that, and then Jahangir period mein there is one, I said that his son was there, Amir Khusro, but that is Wo Khusro, and thereafter he was killed by his father itself due to and then there is a fifth Guru was there who supported him, Arjun Dev, and therefore the Guru Arjun Dev has been also killed. Who has been killed also? Guru Arjun Dev. And then similarly in the further thereafter Jahangir who came, and the Jahangir ke period mein there is lots of problem is there. And then I said that actually his mother, I said that what is the mother? Yes? Jahangir mother. Huh? Jodhabai. And then another mother? Noor Jahan. सॉरी मदर बोल रहा हूँ मैं, क्या मैं भी क्या सोच रहा हूँ, मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, जहांगीर वाइफ में बोल रहा हूँ. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ जहांगीर वाइफ? Noor Jahan. And father is what? Itmaduddaulah, who has created so many problems. Actually it is considered as somewhere that the Patsah Begum, Noor Jahan become itself everywhere there is a farman is going in the name of Patsah Begum. This kind of situation, the Jahangir was not so kind of that other rulers like, and therefore we are not able to take back Kandhar, for which I said that Kandhar. And at the same time, we see the diplomacy has been taken place, but even then I said there is Shahjahan become the ruler. And then Shahjahan, how many sons Shahjahan is having? 4 sons. And what are the name? Mu for Murad, Gu for गुजरात. ये तो पहले याद रख लो. 2 तो आप लोगों को भी याद है. दारा सिको याद रहता है, और क्या रहता है? औरंगजेब. That you remember Dara Shikoh, and Dara Shikoh was in Delhi. Yes. And then I said that Aurangzeb is in the Deccan, and Gu for Gujarat, Mu for Murad, and then in the Bengal, Shah Susa. Understood? And then 1658, when he got little ill, then that Aurangzeb thought that is situation is going ahead, and then it will be better to go to an attack and take and he wasn't afraid. Dara Shikoh is an eldest son, and he favored his son Dara Shikoh. Dara Shikoh wasn't a good person, but the able person was Aurangzeb. Therefore the Mughal Empire 1707 tak chal bhi saka. I said that and thereafter coming of Aurangzeb, and Aurangzeb was completely outstanding person as far as the fight is concerned. He had taken the south completely till Jinji and all, so complete toward the west, east till Assam, north till Kashmir, everything is in the hand. The same way we can say that other like Ashoka and all, they have created a great empire. Understood? And then in the same time when the Aurangzeb was growing, at the same time Maratha also came into existence. Who came into existence? Maratha. Who? Shahji. कौन थे? Who is the father of Shivaji? Shahji. Sahuji nahi. Who is the father? Who is the father? Shahji. And mother name is, I said that, Jizabai. And then with the help of some guru, he is able to become what is a good person, Shivaji. And then he got birth in 1627, and from the 1656 he started doing several things. And by reaching 1680 he died also. 1680 mein he died. And when he died, there the two sons are there. One, his son name is what? Sambhaji, and then his stepson was Raja Ram. Sambhaji and Raja Ram. Who is the son of Shivaji? Sambhaji and Raja Ram. And then as he has been able to become from the 1680 to 1689, he has been able to become. कब शिवाजी मरे? Yes, tell me. When the Shivaji has been died? 1680. 16 और इस समय क्या है? औरंगजेब है. You remember that. औरंगजेब कब से कब तक है? 1658 to 1707. It means Aurangzeb is existing. Understood? So 16, I said that 80, and thereafter there is an 80 to 89, there is a Sambhaji camp. Yes? And he supported Aurangzeb son Akbar. He supported Aurangzeb son Akbar. Clear? वो अकबर नहीं जो उनके दादा परदादा something like this. There is an, I said yes, Akbar too you can say. बीच में और भी सारे अकबर आए हुए थे. So I said Akbar, and therefore Sambhaji has been killed by Aurangzeb in 89. In which 1689. So what are the date I said that? Tell me. 1656, 1680 finished. In 1680 who came? Sambhaji. But when the Sambhaji came, the Raja Ram cannot be, and just at the time he was very kid also, 10 years old. Therefore the Sambhaji put him inside the jail. So the Raja Ram is not able to get a proper education so that he become a good ruler. Understood this? So Raja Ram is not able to get, what I said there, is not able to get good education to become a better emperor. But 1682-89, Raja Ram was under the jail, but I said the Sambhaji was ruling, and he has been killed by whom? Aurangzeb. He has been killed by whom? Aurangzeb. And then 1689, जब वो मरे, so there is no one chance that Raja Ram has to become him. And then Sambhaji को जब kill किया गया, his son was there, Sahuji. What is the son of Sambhaji? And then Sahuji was captured by, I said that, Aurangzeb. Sahuji was captured by Aurangzeb. Then the Sahuji is not there, then who will become the king? The Raja Ram. And the Raja Ram already not educated, so he cannot be able to become better ruler. Then his wife become Tarabai, is in a side by, there is a ruler kind of it. Understood? And thereafter this power was going on, and then the Raja I said Tarabai and Raja Ram has a son, and that is I said that Shivaji 2 or Shivaji 3 you can say. Raja Ram की wife कौन थी? Tarabai. And they have a son, Shivaji 2. And now he declared Shivaji to be what is a ruler. And then what happened वहाँ से 1707 में कौन मरा? Aurangzeb has been died. Aurangzeb has been died. And then उन्होंने diplomacy करी. He left Sahuji. And then first was, who is the first ruler of declining Mughal? Bahadur Shah. And Bahadur Shah released Sahuji and also said that you go with Sardeshmukhi. मतलब आपको जो that is in a one what is the Sardeshmukhi? Without tax land, which is under the Mughal, but it is under the impact of Marathas. So the Sardeshmukhi उसके ऊपर 25% और 25% भी लिया जाता था. उसको क्या बोलते थे? चौथ. तो चौथ के ऊपर Sardeshmukhi to provide the protection. Then they said that okay, and Sahuji भाई बोले ठीक है. And when he released, the fight took place between, I said that, Tarabai and Sahuji. Battle of Khed, which has been taken place. Battle of Khed, and in this one he was finally defeated. और ये कौन सा चल रहा है? And then thereafter coming of Sahuji, and then Sahuji under the Bajirao and all, and then Peshwa started. And then Sahuji died in 1751. When he died, and after that there is no king in Maratha, only the highest post is Peshwa. Only the highest post is Peshwa. What is the important period I have said that? Yes, tell me. 1727, he got birth. 1756, then he started coming into the power. And then I said that 17 बोल रहा हूँ क्या मैं? तो बोलना करो नहीं यार, मैं थक. 1627, 1656, and then 56 के बाद he started coming to the power. In 1680 he died. And then he died, then who come? Sambhaji and Rajaram. And the Rajaram was put behind the jail, and who is there? Sambhaji. Who is there? अभी मैं चार्ट बना दूंगा. Sambhaji. And thereafter I said that, tell me. 1682-89 Sambhaji is there. Sambhaji, and his son is Sahuji. What is the name of Sambhaji? Sahuji. In 1689 he was killed. He was killed by Aurangzeb. And 1689 के बाद Sahuji is already captured by Aurangzeb after the death of Sambhaji. Then who left? Rajaram. Rajaram and his wife Tarabai. They started ruling. They started what? Ruling it. समझ में आ चुका है? तो चलते हैं हम लोग. I said that, थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को समझाया कि क्या है हल्का सा. I said that, what is the period I said that? Tell me fast. 1526 to 1530 Babur, and 1530 to 1555 Humayun. But in between 1540 to 55 Afghan, and these are Sesa Suri and the Suri dynasty. And thereafter there is a coming of, I said that, Akbar after the battle of second battle of Panipat, 1526 the first battle of Panipat. And thereafter coming of, I said that, Akbar, 1555 or 56 to 1605 Akbar, and 1605 to 1627 Jahangir, and 1627 to 1658 Shah Jahan, and 1658 to 1707 Aurangzeb. Who is there? And after the Aurangzeb, who is the first ruler? Bahadur Shah. Who is the Bahadur Shah first? I said that, clear hai? I said that there is a Mughal declining. What is there? Bahadur Shah. Thereafter I said Jahandar Shah. Farrukhsiyar. मोहम्मद शाह रंगीला. क्या मैंने बोला? Where should I say that? Bahadur Shah, Jahandar Shah, Farrukhsiyar, and then Muhammad Shah Rangila. Clear? Ahmad Shah. Alamgir second. Shah Alam second. Akbar Shah second. Bahadur Shah second. Yes. Clear? I said that, what I said? These are the declining Mughals, that is known as the Bahadur Shah Jafar. Last one is, I said that, you know that Bahadur Shah second means Bahadur Shah Jafar. Understood? That is in the 1857, the last time he has been made, then again and thereafter he has been, deported to Yangon. Understood? It is clear? तो ये तो आपको याद हो चुका है. This is the things that you remember. I said that और I said, हमने बोला बहादुर. We need a good person, bahadur person. We need a heroic person. Yes? Bahadur. Have you heard the word of Faru? Faru. Have you heard the word Faru? What is the meaning of Faru? Jabardast, extraordinary. Huh? भयंकर, don't say भयंकर. भयंकर वो मैं कभी कभी यूज कर लेता हूँ to I said that. हमने क्या बोला? फाड़ो. हमने बोला बहादुर मीन्स वेरी हीरोइक पर्सन इस जहान में.